Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Notable Flow Show watch list. Very dry, boring day today. Not much popping up on the flow. So, we're just going to I have a couple that we can review. Yeah, let's just get this started. Before we look at the flow, just some key points today. The 10-year topping at 3.98%. So that's, still high. QQQ finished up 0.18%. SPY finishing 0.13%. DIA, obviously that's a ticker. Dow Jones up 0.17%. NYSE breadth was actually negative, and IWM down over 1.4%. So, and they had a rough day today. And then Goldman stating that there's a higher than anticipated consumer spending can support a terminal Fed rate of 5.75 to now 6%. So that's something to keep an eye out. Schedule 3/8, we got some ADP private payrolls, estimated 200,000. JOLTS as well on 3/8, 10,580. Jobless claims 3/9, estimated 195,000. And non-farm payrolls on 3/10, estimated plus 215,000. And obviously, we got Powell congressional testimony tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and Wednesday at 10 a.m. as well. And let's go quickly over volume of today. S&P 30-day average is 83.77 million. Today was 65.14. Call volume 3.56 to 4.04 million. I'm sorry, 3.56 million. The put volume is 4.79 million. XLC a little bit above average in volume. XLY a little below. But yeah, as you can see, SPY was obviously a little slow today. Not really much happened as well. So yeah, I mean, it's honestly a pretty slow day in the market. I'm definitely just waiting for Powell to speak. Now, what do we got as notable flow? Again, very light. I didn't honestly see much. The ARKK 39 puts for 310 for 135,000. I mean, they've been slamming these puts for a while now. It's been a couple days, and finally ARKK is down over 2.08%. So these could look, they can start working soon. Save, should be a 7.5 put, not 7.6 put. Now this trade will probably be done. It was crazy. I mean, I'm glad I caught this trade. 17.5 put for 317 expiration, 310,000. I say recap because this was a news trade. Once this flow came out, I think 5 minutes later, there was news that JetBlue-SPIRIT deal faces DOJ antitrust. Stock dropped like 7%. So for whoever caught it, congrats. That was a pretty sweet play. That was like the only thing that excited me today. And then there was some Oxy 62 calls for 331 expiration for 528,000. So we'll quickly go over the ARKK 39 puts and the Oxy 62 calls. So let's start with ARKK. I have to change. It's not. So yeah, I mean, I did see 39 puts for 310, 213,000 volume. I don't know why I put 310. 4,200 in volume, 2,200 in open interest. Obviously, we saw a spike in asks at 2,000, so that was good. A lot of put premium as well. So this was just something on my eye. I mean, it has been getting tagged pretty heavily. I mean, throughout the last couple of days, as you can see, the put volume is over 79.82%. So if you look at the chart, let's pull this up. Okay, why isn't my POS is now glitching? Let's do this. Oh, God, that's all right. So what do we see here? So again, we did see that bull flag setup, right? Pushed higher, but now we did reject a high of 40.98. We closed at 39.62. The 8 SMA is around 39.29-ish. So if it breaks the 8 SMA, I think we got some support around 38.49. Obviously, then we got 37.63. Now we are also trading below the 200 SMA. That's always something to keep an eye on. If it stays below, again, we have a nice support back to 37.63. So we see some resistance here. If you can find, if you can break through this, this could be pretty dangerous. So, as long as it stays below 40.98, this put flow trade can start to look good. Now, save, obviously, I can pull up the chart for save. I can show you what happened. Let me see if I can. So it was 943. Okay, so again, wasn't, what's it called? It wasn't really working once it hit, right? 943 around here was alerted. Let me see if I can pull this up for you guys. Come on. Twitter has been so slow lately. There you go. Yeah, around 9:43 a.m., 12.5 puts. This is 1/17/2025. Oh, wait. I am having a lot of technical difficulties today. This is not even the tweet. I don't know where it is. Okay. Anyway, it's somewhere there. I think my Twitter was just glitching. It didn't show the. So we did see the save puts, and as you can see here, it just completely tanked. Right? There were 17.5 puts. These went way in the money. 16.36 hit a low of 16.17. So this was obviously a news trade. Whoever got it, hit out nicely. That's for sure. So that is save. Oxy. Let's go on the daily. Let's delete all this nonsense. And let's go to the chart. So the flow was actually a little mixed throughout the day. What was the flow? What did I say? 62 calls for 331 right here. So we did see a lot of 62 calls at the ask. 1.12 million, 5,041 volume OI 145. So again, we did see a lot at the ask throughout the day. That's really what caught my eye. But then again, you have some 61 puts. But you got to make sure these are being, so it's kind of messy, right? So there could be a lot of bid sells as well. So you just got to be careful. I would like to see open interest tomorrow on these. Now, if you look at the chart, what do we got? So it did break this 61.62 resistance back from 217. So now where's next? The 50 SMA is around 63.08. Excuse me. I was, kind of consolidating in this little range right here. So you have some supply right here, right? So let's see if it can fill this area. So around 63.08 will be your resistance. Now there is some dividends coming up on 3.9. That's a couple days away. Have this support at around 62.37. So you can use that as like a short-term target, right? If it holds above 61.62. If it breaks 63.08, I expect it to maybe get to the 65 with the 200 SMA, or we can use this resistance here at around 64.78, give or take. So that is Oxy. Honestly, that's it. Today was definitely a light, slow day. Really not much I can tell you. Hopefully tomorrow Powell can start ramping up this market. Obviously I think we have like 11 more trading days until the FOMC decision. So I guess we'll just be grinding in this area until then. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully tomorrow it's a much better video with more flow, with more analysis. But yeah, today was definitely slow. So See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.